Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to fix the annoying problem of Spotify suddenly not playing songs. So, before we dive into any deep settings, let's start with 3 quick checks that solve the problem more than half of the time. So first, what I usually call the 3 R's. The first is to refresh your connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. What you're going to do is simply go to your settings and turn your Wi-Fi off and then on, or switch your mobile data off and then on, and see if that helps, because a weak connection is the #1 cause of playback issues on Spotify. Second, restart the app. Completely close the Spotify app. Don't just minimize it on your phone. Simply click on the Recents tab and completely swipe it away to close it completely from your device. And if you're doing this on a computer, fully quit the program and then reopen it and see if you are still facing the same issue or not. Then third, restart your entire device. So if restarting the app doesn't work, try restarting your phone or computer completely. This gives the whole system a fresh start and can solve deeper software conflicts as well. Now, if the quick fixes didn't work, the next most effective solution is to clear the Spotify cache. So these are temporary files that can sometimes get corrupted and cause problems. Clearing them is completely safe and will not delete your downloaded songs as well. Now, to do this from inside your Spotify application, first, open your Spotify application and then simply click on your profile icon, which is at the top left corner of your application. Simply click on the settings option. And over here in this menu, you will have the option of a storage section. Simply tap on that, and then you will see a button that says Clear Cache. Simply go ahead and tap that, and then a confirmation will pop up. Then simply tap Clear Cache on that again, and after that, you're done. Now, this option will only be available for the premium users. So if you're one of them, you'll have this option. Now, if you don't have a premium subscription, I will also show you another way to clear it. What you do is simply go to your app info or simply hold your application for a few seconds. Then click on App Info. Click on the Clear Data option at the very bottom right-hand corner. Click on App Clear Cache and then click on OK. Now, this will clear all the cache from your application, and it works the same as the setting found inside the Spotify application. Now, if your music is still not playing, there are 2 final steps you can take. First, check for an update. Go to your App Store, search for Spotify, and see if you assess any type of pending update or not. Go to Spotify in your App Store and simply update it. And then, if you have any type of update button, simply tap on it once, and the latest version of Spotify will be installed. Now, if it still doesn't work and you don't have any pending update over here, the only thing that you can do is first uninstall the Spotify that you currently have and then do a quick, fresh installation again. But there is one thing that you should keep in mind. When you do this, you will have to log back in and re-download any music that you have previously saved for offline listening. But this step almost always solves any type of problem that you're having with the application itself. But it has some potential drawbacks, like you will have to log in again and download the songs again, so it's totally up to you. And that's it. By going through these simple steps, you should be able to get your music playing again on Spotify. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.